Hello class 8 student. We have started offline classes, but due to corona we cannot continue your offline classes. For this we have started we are starting your online classes. In online class today I will explain you chapter number 5, app development. By the name of app development, the full form of app development is application development. App development. It is also referred as application development. It provides easy access and sharing of information among people. Apps are created for laptops, smartphones, tablets, and they all have Android as the basic platform. Because in Android we can mostly we can open any we can download any app, but in other iOS means for Apple phone and Apple's product we cannot download any type of app because in Android it is easy to download any app, but in iPhone it is very hard because iPhone related series only giving some apps access to downloading. So we can say apps are basically developing by using C, C++ or Java programming codes. The language which are used to develop any types of app, these languages are C, C++ and Java languages. Working with app. All apps do not work with all mobiles. To work with an app, we need a mobile phone or a tablet that possesses Android facilities. It is necessary that type of the tablet or that mobile has the operating system Android. iPhone Play Store or Google Play Stores are also used to upload or download the app. Nowadays, most smartphones are available with preloaded apps like Chrome, Drive, Gmail, movies, music, etc. The apps Chrome are used to surfing on internet. Drive, there are cloud drive also. In that drive, which datas, mostly photos which are taking our mobile phone, that that photos automatically store that cloud drive. Gmail, used for the making Gmail account. Movies, to see the movies. Music, related to the audios files. Now types of apps: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Chrome, Media Player, etc. are the apps. These are also the apps. These are the programs also, but these are the apps also. These apps are also known as application software. For portable handset like smartphone, iPhone or tablets, the apps are categorized into two types. There are two types of app. First is online apps and first is online apps and second is mobile apps. First, online apps. Online apps are created keeping in mind that they can be used on portable devices or handheld devices. Handheld devices means the devices which we can carry with us, like smartphone, iPhone or tablets. We can carry with us on each and every places. Such websites are equipped to provide information just by tapping on a touch sensitive screen. This is the feature that distinguishes mobile website from other website. Next is mobile apps. The actual applications that are downloaded and installed on mobile phones are known as mobile apps. The mobile apps we cannot install in our laptop, in our other devices. One important advantage of mobile apps over mobile website is that the information can be accessed online. Now some more apps are here. Next is system apps. Apps that are preloaded into mobile phones are known as system apps. This type system apps are preloaded, means when we are buying the mobile phone, at that time we get that system apps in that mobile because they are preloaded. No need to load that apps. User created apps. When a user means I, you, and any other, creates an app to carry out his requirements, it is termed as user defined app, user created app. User means user. I am using this computer, and if I have made any app, that is known as the user created app or user defined app. Chatting. Now what is the chatting? Chatting is an online bidirectional communication among people. Bidirectional means one side I and the other side you. That is known as the bidirectional communication. So in chatting we are talking to each other by using the internet services and by using the mobile phone. Commonly used apps. When we put on a mobile phone a number of GUI components. GUI component means graphic user interface components will be displayed on the screen. Means graphic user interface means the programs which has an icon that is known as the graphical user interface. These pictures components are said to be apps. Now graphical user interface. What is graphical user interface? A system that allows a user to link with the mobile, that is known as the graphical user interface. Means the system and the user allow the software with the mobile phone. That is, this link is known as the graphical user interface. Google Maps. What is Google Maps? This is the apps. What is Google Maps? By the name of Google Maps, we can say that the maps where we can see the directions of any cities and the location of any city, that is known as the maps. So this is the most frequently used apps in mobile phones. If you tap on Google Maps, it will show the location of your mobile. Means you can see that location where you are at that time. On setting the destination, suppose I am in the Rajpur and I want to go. So suppose I am in the Dehradun and I want to go to Delhi at any particular location. So I will set the location in the destination tab, and in the destination tab, and I will write the address on that tab where I want to reach. It will display the shortest route. Then you will find it will display, Google Map will display the shortest route map on the screen. It will show other route also, but first it will display the shortest route to reach that destination which we have entered in that tab. Now next is Facebook. Everybody knows about Facebook. One of the most popular social network apps is Facebook. It allows creating a friend list of your choice. You can post your messages, audio, video clips on Facebook. And if you want that messages, audio or video only seen by your friends, that you can post that video only for your friend there will be also the choice in Facebook. Nowadays Facebook are using most commonly. Next is WhatsApp. Everybody knows about the WhatsApp. It is also a social networking app that allows people to communicate with each other. It can be done through messages, images, audio, video, clips, etc. The advantage of WhatsApp over Facebook is that only difference is this the advantage. This is the advantage of WhatsApp over to Facebook is that in Facebook the posted messages is visible to all of your friends, whereas in WhatsApp the user has the choice whether to share any message with an individual or a group. In Facebook, we have not this type of choice, but in WhatsApp, we have that type of choice that our messages will see only by our individual group or by our friends only. It also provides free calling and video calling throughout the world. We can call with with our friends or our relatives which are sitting in other countries. This is the facility in that in that WhatsApp video calling. You cannot pay anything for this calling services. Skype. Skype is a creation of Microsoft Inc. Microsoft Inc. means Microsoft companies. It is also a communication system. We can share our experiences like stories, celebration, videos, etc. by using Skype. It allows face to face communication between people staying far away from each other. Next is YouTube. Nowadays, most of the people are using YouTube app. It is a video sharing site brought into existence in the year 2005. YouTube started in the year 2005. It allows free video sharing among people. You can also upload a video on YouTube. Once the site is activated, you can enjoy online videos, songs, animation, clipping, etc. As you know that you are seeing this video also on YouTube channel. Students, I will give some home assignment to complete your work to complete the questions which are related to this video. So it is advised to see these videos complete, and you will try to complete your work on time and send it to me on time. If you have any problem, you can ask me through mail. Students, this is the way. So you will see complete video. If you cannot understand, then you will try to read that chapter from your book also. The topics which I have explained in this video, you will try to read that topics in your book also. Then you will I I know that can understood you can understand that chapters. Thank you.